Finanzen sind die Wissenschaft davon, wie Geld verwaltet, investiert und im Alltag genutzt wird. Zu verstehen, wie Geld funktioniert, ist für jeden wichtig, da es unsere Fähigkeit beeinflusst, fundierte Entscheidungen über Ausgaben, Sparen und Zukunftsplanung zu treffen. Ob es darum geht, das tägliche Budget zu planen oder sich auf wichtige Lebensereignisse vorzubereiten. Finanzielle Kenntnisse befähigen Einzelpersonen, ihre Ziele zu erreichen und unnötigen Stress zu vermeiden. Durch das Erlernen der Grundlagen der Finanzen können Menschen eine solide Basis für persönlichen und beruflichen Erfolg schaffen.
Money is a tool that people use to exchange goods and services. Its origins can be traced back to ancient times, when people first traded items like shells or grains before developing coins and paper currency. Over time, money has taken many forms, including digital currencies used today. Beyond making trade easier, money also helps people measure value and save for the future. In society, it plays a central role by enabling economic activity and helping organize complex systems of trade and cooperation. Banks play a crucial role in the economy by providing a safe place for people to deposit their money. When you save money in a bank, the bank uses those deposits to offer loans to individuals and businesses. Borrowing from a bank allows people to make large purchases like homes or cars and pay back the money over time with interest. Lending, on the other hand, is how banks earn profit, as they charge interest on the money they loan out. This cycle of saving, borrowing, and lending helps keep money moving throughout the economy. Interest is a fundamental concept in finance, affecting both savings and loans. When you deposit money into a savings account, the bank pays you interest as a reward for saving, allowing your balance to grow over time. On the other hand, when you borrow money, you pay interest to the lender as a cost for using their funds. The rate of interest influences how quickly savings accumulate and how much loans ultimately cost. Understanding how interest works is essential for making informed financial decisions and managing your money effectively. Credit and debt are fundamental concepts in both personal and national finances. Credit allows individuals and governments to borrow money with the promise to repay it later, often with interest. While responsible use of credit can help people make important purchases or investments, excessive debt can lead to financial strain. On a larger scale, national debt influences economic stability and can affect interest rates and public spending. Understanding how credit and debt work is essential for making informed financial decisions and maintaining economic health. Investments are tools that help your money grow over time by putting it to work in different ways. Stocks represent ownership in a company, and their value can increase as the company succeeds, potentially providing returns through price appreciation and dividends. Bonds, on the other hand, are loans you make to governments or corporations, and they pay you interest over a set period. Other simple investment vehicles include mutual funds, which pool money from many investors to buy a diversified mix of assets. By choosing the right combination of these options, individuals can build wealth and work toward their financial goals. Understanding the basics of budgeting is essential for maintaining financial health. By tracking your income and expenses, you can identify areas where you may be overspending and make adjustments accordingly. Creating a realistic budget helps you prioritize necessary expenses, save for future goals, and avoid unnecessary debt. Managing your personal finances also involves setting aside emergency savings and regularly reviewing your financial plan to stay on track. With consistent effort, these habits can lead to greater financial stability and peace of mind. Inflation refers to the infrequent rise in the general price level of goods and services over time. As inflation increases, the purchasing power of money declines, meaning each dollar buys fewer items than before. This can make everyday expenses like groceries, gas, and rent more costly for individuals and families. Over time, if wages do not keep pace with inflation, people may find it harder to maintain their standard of living. Understanding inflation helps explain why the same amount of money can feel less valuable from one year to the next. Governments and central banks play a crucial role in shaping the flow and value of money within an economy. Through policies such as setting interest rates, regulating the money supply, and implementing fiscal measures. They can encourage spending or saving and manage inflation or deflation. Central banks, for example, may adjust interest rates to either stimulate economic growth or cool down an overheating economy. Additionally, governments can influence currency value through taxation, public spending, and by managing national debt. These coordinated efforts help maintain economic stability and foster public confidence in the financial system. Understanding how money truly works goes beyond simply earning and spending. It involves recognizing the principles of saving, investing, and managing debt wisely. Financial literacy empowers individuals to make informed decisions, avoid common pitfalls, and build long-term security. By mastering these essential concepts, anyone can take control of their financial future and navigate the complexities of the modern economy with confidence. Thank you for taking the time to watch. We hope you found the information helpful and engaging. Your interest and attention are greatly appreciated. Wishing you a wonderful day ahead.